Right, friends, hello again and happy Friday. This is the last language lesson of today, and it's actually a lot of fun, so I hope you do it. This is shaving cream. Men use it to shave their faces, women use it to shave their legs sometimes, but we are going to use it a little bit different in our classroom, and we are going to use it to practice our letters and our sounds. And so this is what one type looks like. There's other types at the grocery store, so I hope at some point you get to go get some. When you get your shaving cream, just push the button and make a little hill. Isn't that fun? All right, now I'm trying to figure out the best way to show you, so we're going to go like this. First thing to do is take your hand, and remember, you're going to see which hand you brush your teeth with, which hand you throw a ball with. Whatever hand that is, remember that's your dominant hand. You're going to only put that hand in it first. And make your shaving cream flat. All right, here we go. Ready? L. Top line to the baseline. O. Erase. T. Top line to the baseline. Pick it up. Cross it over. T. Erase. I. Dotted line to the baseline. Pick it up. Eh. Erase. H. Top line to the baseline. Up to the dotted line. Down to the baseline. Erase. B. Top line to the baseline. Up to the dotted line and all the way around. B. Erase. K. Top line to the baseline. Pick it up. Move it over. Kick it in. Kick it out. K. Erase. We're going to do it one more time, and this time we're going to think of different words that begin with that sound. L. Top line to the baseline. Little, love, luck. Lollipop. Erase. T. Top line to the baseline. Pick it up. Cross it over. T. Top, take, talk. Erase. I. Dotted line to the baseline. Pick it up. Eh. Insect, indigo, Italian. Eh. Next one. H. Top line to the baseline. Up to the dotted line. Down to the baseline. Hippopotamus, happy, hello, hi. Erase. B. Top line to the baseline, up to the dotted line and all the way around. B. Baby, box, baton, ballerina. Beth. Erase. Last one. K. Top line to the baseline, pick it up, move it over. Kick it in, kick it out. K. Kitten, Kentucky. Kick. Erase. Now we've practiced all of our sounds. You can write your name. You can get your name tag out and practice writing your name. Mine is B, E, T, H. You can practice writing your letters. You can practice writing numbers. You can make shapes like circles and squares and triangles. And once you're finished practicing, you can take both of your hands and you can rub your hands in the shaving cream. And you can tell stories and have lots of fun with your shaving cream. When you are finished, you need a bucket or a bowl, and some water and a sponge or some type of rag. Now, the important thing to remember, because this is part of cleaning up your work. So if you do shaving cream at your house, you need to make sure that you clean up, just like you would here at school. You would be cleaning up your own work. So I rinsed my hands in my bucket. Do you see how this sponge is dripping? Well, if I took all that water and put it up here on my table, then I'd have a big puddle. So it's important to squeeze with all your might, and that makes your fingers really strong too. Squeeze. And then you're going to start in the corner of your table. See how it's not dripping? Start in the corner and pull down with 2 hands from the left side to the right side. Now I have a lot of shaving cream on there, so I'm going to flip it over. Flip. Squeeze with all your might. Flip. I went from one side of my table to the other side of my table. Whoops, I didn't even show you how I cleaned the rest of it. All right, so now I'm going to squeeze with all my might. I went from one side to the other side all the way down. Now I'm going to go across my table from the top to the bottom. And around the edges. My table is clean. It's clear of all of the shaving cream. So I'm going to take my bucket to the sink and pour it out. Make sure that when you leave your table, it's clean and ready for the next time you want to do some work on your table. All right, friends. We got a couple really close shots of Miss Beth today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you enjoyed your week at virtual school, and we will see you on Monday.